Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to make handheld effect in Davinci Resolve 18. So we want to make this static footage to very natural hand, little bit camera movement there. So it's pretty simple, guys. Go over here to this effects panel, click on it, and you can close this media pool if you don't want to see it. Click on this open effects and then basically search for camera shake, and it will appear right here, this camera shake. Just drag and drop it on your clip. Now when you play it back, you can see it is really shaky, and you don't want this to be this shaky. This is too much, but you can thankfully adjust it. So in order to adjust it, go over here to effects, click on that, and here it is. So where do we start? I will bring it a little bit down, and we can start from the top. Just repeat after me, and you will see how it's done. So this motion scale, double click it and change it to 0.2 and press enter. This speed scale, change it to 0.25, press enter. This motion blur, just go with it all the way to 1, this will be good. And then this pan amplitude, change to 0.24. Then this tilt amplitude, you can leave like this, this is good. Then rotation amplitude, then you can do it 0.28, so 0.28, press enter. Then PTR speed, this you can leave it at 0.500. Zoom amplitude, you can change it to 0.15, this will be enough. And zoom speed change to 0.05, and zoom type change to outward and inward, so make sure this is selected as well. Then go down here to shake quality, this leave on shine, this motion method. Then this phase you can leave as well. This one, randomness scale, just crank up all the way to 1, this will be good. Randomness speed, you can change to 0.25, this will be good. And then pause interval, leave on 5, you can change it if you want the pause interval to be longer or shorter. I think the 5 is okay. This pause randomness, leave on 0.2, and then randomness seed, I will change to 9. You can play with it, but I would recommend 9 for the effect that we are going for. And lastly, this zoom to crop, change to 0.8. So 0.08 and press enter. And now, as you can see, when I play it back, I will show you. You can see that it is lagging a little bit. And basically, in order to play it back smoothly, you have to right click it and then go all the way up here to render in place. Click on that. And then you can leave all of the settings as it is and click here on render. Now choose where you want this footage to be rendered and click on open. Now wait while it renders. And then when it is done rendering, as you can see, it is playing back smoothly. And you see it is only gentle. I will press Command F so you can see it in full screen. It is so gentle, just this little bit subtle camera shake. That is all we need to make it really interesting and not shaky as crazy like. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.